Welcome back. 4 illegal scrapyards were partially demolished at Colvale in Thivim on Friday following Deputy Collector's order. The demolition witnessed a lot of chaos and confusion. The scrapyard owners claim that there was no prior intimation, whereas Thivim MLA Kiran Kandolkar says there was no need for an intimation.
The illegally encroached parts of scrapyards were demolished on Friday amidst a lot of chaos and confusion. The demolition squad demolished it following order from Deputy Collector of Bardez. When questioned, the official from Deputy Collector's office, they refused to comment. The scrapyard owner claimed that they were not served notice of demolition.
It's just like a Hitler's rule. Whatever pistol, they are showing pistol, get out and nobody is showing any document. I think it is not a style of functioning.
If challenging the government how they can remove everything within 12 hours. They have given us notice yesterday evening that they have acquired the land and tomorrow morning we are coming to remove everything. What is this new rule that within 12 hours you occupy the land and you remove everything?
Thivim MLA Kiran Kandolkar said demolishing illegal scrapyard was one of the promises in his manifesto. He says this is just a beginning.
हांवें सुद्दां जे मेरेनसून असेंब्लीन आमी प्रत्येक असेंब्लीक ह्या स्क्रॅपा बद्दल आवाज उठयल्लो आहा. एका स्क्रॅप मोडले अशें म्हणिना आमी, पूण ही सुरवात आसा. कायद्याचे चौकटीन जे कितें करूंक शकता ते आमी केल्लें आहा. कारण हांकां जर एक नोटीस धाडली जाल्यार हे रोखडेच खंय तरी कोर्टाक धांवतात, ट्रिब्युनलाक धांवता, वो खंयच्या कलेक्टरा कडसून स्टे हाडटात. कोलवाळे परिसरांत जितले स्क्रॅप अड्डे आहा हे संपूर्ण थंयसरले काडले गेले वतात.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Tourism should not be the major income source for Goa. Other avenues should also be explored. That's what the former External Affairs Minister Eduardo Falero feels. He says state government should not get carried away by short-term gains of tourism, or else Goans will be destroyed spiritually and physically too. However, Falero wants more Nigerians to enroll themselves in Goa University.
There may be short-term gain, but there is enormous long-term losses. This drug thing, that must be mercilessly dealt with. All. You see, it's not only Nigerian, but all others. You see, people of, I'm sure there are people of different nationalities, including Goans and other Indians. Deal with them mercilessly and eradicate it from here. Also, tourism, don't let you be carried away by these short-term gains of tourism. Because in the long term, you see, we will be destroyed, spiritually destroyed and physically. You see, physically in the sense that our land and things will go, and spiritually they will become only servants. Tourism cannot be, should not be even a major source of revenue for the state. We must find other avenues.
However, Falero has stressed the need for better collaboration between India and Africa on academic levels. He says that more Nigerians should enroll themselves in Goa University.
You see, investigations are on, and we have to show results also in ascertaining the killers of that Nigerian boy, and then our record against racism, because racism and colonialism go very close, you see, and basically these have to be identified. The state government has been very slow in doing this. That Nigerians are just like Indians, just like Europeans, just like everybody. There are good, bad and indifferent. You cannot target all Nigerians. We must have greater collaboration between India and Africa, particularly in the academic field. More African students, not only from Nigeria, elsewhere, should come to Goa University.
A senior video journalist Turshidas Chari for Prudent.
630 foreign passengers arrived in the state on Friday from Dubai. They arrived in a Azamara Journey Club cruise liner. The cruise is on its Asia voyage. The cruise officials were fascinated with a welcome by the Goa Tourism Department.
got a very nice welcome with music and dancing and everything. Much better than Mumbai, I have to say. So, and as also a lot of our crew comes from Goa, so they were asking me, we should have arrived here at 1 o'clock today. And so some of our Indian crew were asking me, can we arrive earlier? And they said, just leave Mumbai early and then we arrive to Goa before. So that's what we did. This cruise, we're going to do it in Cochin. Other cruises we've done, sometimes we have a whole outdoor amphitheater with a symphony orchestra and special drinks and food and wine. Another one could be a reenactment of a medieval battle, also with food and wine. So all different unique experiences tailor-made for our guests.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.